I set up a Shopify store. It's called Wild Willie's Designs. So I have some t-shirts up, and I'm working on downloading some more stuff that you can buy. So make sure you check it out. The link is in the description below. And so is the link for this book down below. It's called Guinea Dog by Patrick Jennings. This book is amazing. The main character is Rufus. He really wants a dog, but his mom gets him a guinea pig. So he has to find out a way to make it work with the guinea pig. This is the first book I read of Patrick Jennings, but I know there's a lot more. My friend from school has read My Homework Ate My Homework. He also is the author of Hissy Fit, Lucky Cat, and My Homework Ate My Homework. So My Homework Ate My Homework I heard was really good, but I think this book was even better because it was really funny. I rated a 12 out of 10 because it was just such a great book. Also, I say it's for ages 6 and above. And yeah, also make sure you hit the thumbs up button, comment down below which book I should review next, and subscribe. My 100th subscriber will get a free t-shirt from my Etsy store, or my Shopify store. Bye guys!